Hi, my name is Stephen Lee. I recently graduated from Columbia University with my master's degree in enterprise risk management, where I focused on financial modeling, valuation, and market risk analysis. More recently, I worked as a summer analyst at BDO, where I conducted DCF-based valuation modeling for fashion retail acquisitions. I identified over 17 million US dollars in liquidity constraints and uncovered financial irregularities that informed the negotiation strategies. I also automated reconciliations process using VBA and built Tableau dashboards to improve reporting efficiencies. Previously, I led a 5.6 million US dollars charter flight business project during COVID-19, where I was responsible for market research, vendor negotiations, and pricing strategy. That experience strengthened my ability to work independently in a fast-paced, unstructured environment. I believe I'm a very strong fit for this role due to my risk management background, interpersonal skills, and problem-solving ability. I'm generally excited about this opportunity to contribute and grow with your team. Thank you so much for listening and your time.